try to execute. Py done. What is that? To develop data science applications, we need to use a Python programming. In the single quotes I used it for highlighting purpose. Well, coming to next term, this place also sub 2 is called what? Machine learning. Machine learning is also one more type of subject. To develop machine learning also, we need what? Python. By this time you are getting the knowledge. By the time you need to identify me. Subject 1 in learning data science is different. Subject 2 in another function is different. But language is common. Understand that? So coming to this area, students, and the SEMA, I will take it sub 2. Are you getting my? Similarly, you go for this. Okay, execute first this one. And say here what? What is my function name? Learn ML. Learn ML function you call it. Learn ML function you call it. Execute and say that to learn this type of thing, you need to use what? Python programming. Are you able to follow? So its line is coming down. We use, I will write, just we use, that's all. So small shortcut words, because concentrate in the example, clear outputs, concentrate. So are you understanding this? Very good. Now next part you go for it. Immediately you must get done. I'll give you a lot of strategy here. So coming to this area, I'll take it sub 3, same, sub 3. You go for a deep learning. I am writing here. To develop those apps, we'll go for what? 3. I said. Call this now here learn ML. I will say here what? Learn DL. Execute it, students. Now see that we need to use Python coding. What is your observation in my output? Online students and offline students, you must answer me. What is your observation here? In both the places, what is same? All the places, what is same? Lang is same. What are different? Subjects are different. So in first function body, sub 1 is different. Second function, sub 2 is different. Third function body, sub 3 is different. So they are called local or global. Local. But lang, you see, lang in line number 5, lang in 10th line, lang in 5th line. Is it the same value or not? Writing how many times? 3 times. Is it not waste of time? Is it not waste of memory space? So would you like to write one time or more than one time? One time. Are you able to follow? Now, one time means where do you write it? Is it a common value or not? My sir already told you, common values must be taken as what? Default and global. Default and global I am connecting. Default is used for what? Same function call. Common value. That time we'll go for default. But here is common value only. But for what functions? Same functions are different functions are. That means I will go for what? Global. Here, if we go for default, if I take it, remove, if I take it, here I am taking. What I am taking? Lang is equal to Python. SEMA, lang is equal to Python. Here I am taking lang is equal to Python. What is the use of it? Same now? Same output is coming or not? Same output is coming now? Is there any use? No. No use. Are you getting my point? So, here, I cannot go for this default. Default I will go for what? For family of function calls. If the same value is there, that time I will go for a formal parameter for the function heading. For the family of similar function call, if same value is there for all the family of similar function call, that time go for the common value representation as a default value. But here different function calls, value is what? Same. That time I should not go like this. I should not go like this. I cannot go like this. What should I do now? What should I do? I must go or like this. See, first time you are coming across where I am defining before all my functions. It is called which variable? Here, lang is called what? Come on. Global variable. Global variable. That global variable I can use inside the function 1, inside the function 2, inside the function 3. Everywhere else I am using it. That is called which variable? Tell me. Global variable default value same or different? This question is gunshot. Global variable values are those which are common for multiple different function calls. Default variable value is going to be the common value for similar function calls for multiple times. Did you understand? Execute now, execute, and then see students, output is like this. I defined the lang how many times? One time or more than one time? One time only. Such one time representation is minimizing the memory space or not? And one more time, I'm asking one more situation, go to this level, and one more here I will take it. Now I'm asking that concept here. Please go through that. Now where I defined in the beginning? Here. Now I am writing here. I'm testing your talent here. Global variable example 2. Now tell me, lang is equal to 7th line I am using. But I am using the 7th line value into where? 5th line. Is it valid or invalid? Come on. Once again. Very good. Wrong you are. You are wrong. Generally, everybody will feel that it is written in the line number 7 and you are using in the line number 5. Definitely, not only you, whenever I ask this question, they will say that invalid. But a person like me who is reading the regular practicing of program, they will say valid. Now how it is valid, I will tell you. I told already many times, you are not remembering. When the Python program starts executing, it will just